So the May 2018 AS Applied Paper question 4. Helen is studying the daily mean wind speed for Camborne using a large dataset from 1987. The data for 1 month is summarised in the table below. Now the first thing we need to do carefully is we scrub out the NA part. Now part A, calculate the mean for this data. So all we have to do is we put it into the table function on the calculator, and we get the mean to be 10.2 to 1 decimal place. So that's fairly straightforward. Part B, we're asked to calculate the standard deviation for this data and state the units. So the standard deviation for this is going to be 3.17, and that is going to be in knots. So we've got our values there. Part C, we are told that the means and standard deviations for the daily mean wind speed for the other months from the large data set for Camborne in 1987 are given in table 2 below. The data are not in month order. Using your knowledge of the large data set, suggest giving a reason which month had a mean of 11.57. So this one here. Now, looking at the other means, we can see that is significantly above. So I'm going to suggest that that month is going to be October, because we know that in October 1987 there was a hurricane. Part D. The data for these months are summarised in the box plots on the opposite page, so the ones that we can see here. They are not in month order or the same order as table 2. D part 1, state the meaning of the star symbol on some of the box plots. So the stars just denote outliers. And for part 2, suggest, giving your reasons, which of the months in table 2 is most likely to be summarised in the box plot marked Y. So this box plot here. So looking at those months, what we could do is we could say, right, well, we would expect the large range and large interquartile range to lead to a larger standard deviation, and we also have a low median here, so we would expect a low mean, and we're looking at the best fit for those values, and we would say that it is month B.